Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Stakeholders from the oil-rich Niger Delta region under the aegis of Niger Deltans in Lagos are calling on the federal government to simultaneously commence construction work from both the Calabar and Lagos ends of the ongoing 700-kilometer Lagos-Calabar coastal highway. These concerned leaders, led by Niger Delta activist Comrade Joseph Eva, made the submission last week in Lagos during the Democracy Day celebration. The team also gave out food items to indigents of the Niger Delta region resident in Lagos and its environs.
The Democracy Day celebration last Wednesday, organized by the Niger Deltans in Lagos, aimed to appreciate the gains made in Nigeria's evolving democracy and commend President Bola Ahmed Tinubu for his developmental strides within 1 year in office, as well as thank him for the award and subsequent flag off of the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway project. The convener, Comrade Joseph Eva, and guests at the event applauded President Tinubu for initiating the Coastal Highway project, highlighting its expected benefit to both the Southwest and South-South regions.
We are celebrating the highway inaugurated, and as we celebrate it, it will come to pass. From Calabar down to Lagos, we need the highway for our children.
President Bola Ahmed Tinubu has taken the issue of the Niger Delta and his people relatively more seriously.
Comrade Eva and his colleagues also urged the federal government to ensure construction starts at the Calabar end of the project.
What we want to tell Mr. President is that follow the way Babangida built the third mainland bridge. From the island, from the mainland, the two areas started at the same time. So we want Calabar to start at the same time with Lagos. And the construction will meet at the middle.
Highlighting the project's multifaceted impact, the chairman of the occasion and Nadeko chieftain, Ayodele Adewole, emphasized the importance of giving equal and accelerated consideration to the rail component of the road by both federal and state governments. The leaders also appealed to the federal government to expedite work on the East-West Road, describing it as the single most significant road infrastructure in the entire Niger Delta region. The Democracy Day celebration also featured a free medical outreach and the distribution of food items to poor and vulnerable Niger Deltans residing in and around Lagos State.
Inside the Niger Delta,